Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Be nice to have a look at this Worcester Bosch. The customer phoned me and said it's not working at all and it's just flashing a red light. So I've only got limited information on that. So let's switch it on and let's see what happens to this boiler. Now guys, in this video, right, we're gonna hopefully diagnose it and repair it. It's a bit of a stressful one. It's not just it doesn't have only one problem on it. It's got a couple of issues on this boiler does. So anyway, one by one we are gonna sort them all out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, I switched the boiler on. The fan is something I can hear and the diverter valve. The fan stays on for about 5-10 seconds and the red light starts flashing. So let's open it up and let's see what's going on with it. Now guys, like I said before, when the fan was staying on for a good 10 seconds and it wasn't going through ignition process. So the overheat started on the flue, my suspicion was going. So I looped that and the boiler started to fire up. But unfortunately, when it stayed on for a good 2-3 minutes and started huffing and puffing, so there was more issues on it. And guess what? Gas outlet pipe on the gas valve was damaged, so there was a little hole in that. Now I had to go out and get one of them as well. That's faulty. We're going to change that. And the gas pipe is deteriorated, so it's got a hole in it. We're going to sort that out today. Now, sorry, I didn't make a film of that. What happens, right, when the pipe just on the outlet of the gas valve is damaged? What happens to it? It just starts huffing and puffing and stays off for about good 10, 15, 20 seconds. It goes off, tries again and all that, and starts going into reset. So if I remember that correctly. But anyway, I do apologize. I didn't make a film of it. It was very stressful on that day. It was. Right guys, I've got all the parts. I've got the gas pipe. I already fitted that in. I'm going to secure it in a bit. And now I'm just going to change the flue stat, overheat stat. Make sure you don't drop it in. So what you do is, right, get a little flat screwdriver and hopefully yank it out. Get some pliers and pull it out. For that you need two hands. So I've got that out. And put the new one. Putting the new one is easier. Just pushes in. So once I've got all the electrics connected, I'm going to do my gas checks, and then we're going to test it out. Right, guys, now that everything is secure, I'm just going to do my gas checks and then we're going to switch it all on. Right, guys, this boiler is complete. We have to change that. We have to change the gas piping as well. Right, so we're working fine now. Central heating is on. It's been on for about 5 minutes. And so working good. Right, guys, I've just sorted this one out. The overheat stat, the flue stat was faulty on it. Anyway, it was flashing blue light and it's tripping out, and it wasn't working on central heating. I looped that. Once I looped it, I got the boiler to go through the sequence. It would fire up and then go out. Would fire up and go out. And then I figured out the gas outlet pipe on the gas valve was damaged, so I had to go and get one of them. Put that in and a flue stat. Once I've done all that, it's fired up. It's working fine now on heating and hot water. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if your boiler is broken down, give me a call and I'll sort it out for you. If you did like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.